So I've got the water going into the pool, we've got the cover removed, and one of the most secret things, in my opinion, of making sure your pool water does stay clear around, while of course chemicals is part of it, maintaining it throughout the year. And if you look at this, the bottom has some work to be done, but the water itself is still pretty clear, and that is covering your pool and covering it at the right time and then uncovering it at the right time, which is about now for many people. As the temperatures start to climb, you want to go ahead and get that pool cover removed. Here we are removing it, and it was a bit of a struggle. We did get the water drained off the majority of it, but there was still a little bit in there. So once we had gotten it back to the edge of the pool, and you need 2 people, 3 people's even better or more, but we were able to get it without spilling a whole lot in the pool, although we slipped and got a little bit of the dadgum dirt in there. But all that water drained out for the most part, so come out. So we did. It's a little, just needs vacuumed on the bottom, but the water itself's clear. There's where we
goofed
over there a little bit. And not a real big deal. We're going to go ahead and get the water added to this. I'll get it vacuumed. We're going to get some shock and throw in it, get this pump up and running. And then hopefully the next video you'll see it's a lot cleaner than it is. The water though is clear. There is just some vacuuming that is going to need to be done and flush. So there was some leaves in it when we covered it. And we'll get this all cleaned up. It won't be too hard to do. And we've got the water pouring in here now. So it's really is pool season. So we're going to get this cleaned up. And the reason this is for everyday life. I mean, you're going to not always open your pool. It's not going to look pretty all the time. So when it don't, hey, I show you just like any other person. So if your pool looks like this won't take much to get it cleared up. And once it's cleared up in a week or so, we're just going to run the pump about half the time as what I would in the summer. Add chemicals, kind of keep it, sanitized somewhat. And then when the warm water warms up, it'll be ready to swim in. Algae starts growing when that water temperature hits about 65 or so. So keep that in mind. You'll want to get that pool started pretty soon.